to like me as me, to laugh with, to cry with, to be just.
Happy birthday, Pre. Welcome to the club. So siguro nararamdaman mo na mga sakit na kaso-kasuan. Hehe. Anyway, just wanted to thank you sa mga samahan natin. Thank you for the friendship. And enjoy your birthday, Pre. And enjoy the company of your siblings sa Qatar and Dubai. Hope you enjoy this short video na prepare namin para sa birthday mo. Okay, enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chris. Pare ko, tatlong kahilingan lang para sa'yo. Una, good health. Ikalwa, masimaman ka pa. Katlo, ang patuloy mong pagpogi at mapalaganap mo yung kapugian mo, pre. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Go.
Happy birthday,
Tito Chris. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chris.
Ay, paring Chris, happy 50th birthday!
Happy birthday, pre.
Enjoy your 50th
Holiday.
birthday. 50th birthday sa Dubai. O, sige. See you on Sunday. Happy birthday, paring Chris. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Chris. May you will enjoy to the fullest the celebration of the half century of your life. And may the Lord will continually bless you as you live the next half century ng iyong buhay. So, may the Lord will bless you, ibuhos niya ang pagpapala sa buhay mo ng liglig, siksik at umaapaw. And of course, may the Lord will give you good health para ma-enjoy mo yung kanyang blessings financially and materially. So it's been always wonderful to know you since I arrived here in UK. We have a lot of things together, and may the Lord will always nourish our friendship together with our RMC friends, of course. So God bless you, and again, happy 50th birthday. Welcome to the Golden Club. Sana hindi lang Golden Club, sana dumami talaga yung real gold sa buhay natin. Anyway, God bless you and happy birthday.
Hello, paring Chris. Happy birthday sa'yo. Miss you.
Happy birthday po, Tito Chris. Thank you po sa inyo ni Tita Beth sa support and generosity po sa board exam journey ko. I hope that you and your family are always safe. I wish you all the best po and more birthdays to come and more blessings from God. Yun lang po. Ingat po lagi. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Chris! Enjoy your birthday po. Have a blessed birthday, Kuya Chris. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. And I pray na lahat po ng wishes and mag-grant po ni Lord. Happy birthday po!
Tol, happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best. Ready mo na yung mga salompas tsaka omega.
Hello Chris, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday to you. Wishing you good health and more success. Stay cool, stay pogi. You are the Wawi de Guzman of the family, yes. Sip-sip. And since ikaw yung Wawi de Guzman, guys, pwede niyong pasayawin yan. The moves ni Wawawin, kayang-kaya niya yan. nung bata pa yan, Hagibis Kids din yan. So, pwede nyong subukan kung gaano siya kagaling sumayaw. Magaling din kumanta yan. Sobra. Naku, Diyos ko po. Pag kumanta yan, dyan na in love si Beth sa the moves at sa pagkanta niya. Sobrang sip-sip na. So, alam mo na, kailangan maganda-gandang pasalubong mo sa akin. Anyway, happy birthday again and see you soon. I love you.
Tol, happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Ang panalangin ko at ang wish ko is mas marami pang birthday at mas marami pang blessing ang dumating sa'yo at sa family mo. Always stay happy and always stay pogi, syempre. Happy birthday, Don. Enjoy your day. Kita-kits.
Happy birthday, Chris. Enjoy your day and more blessings.
Happy birthday, Tito Chris. Wishing you the best.
Okay, happy birthday, Chris. Happy 50th birthday.
Nga pala.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Chris, come.
Hi, Chris. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chris.
Ilan taon na?
Sige. Ingat. Ingat ka, ha? Sige. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday again. Love you, na.
Ingat sa pagbiyahe. Pag-trabaho dyan. Ingat lang. Okay.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad. Congratulations on hitting 50. Just want to thank you for all your hard work and all your love and care, and I really appreciate you. Love you, Dad. Happy birthday.
Hey Dad, happy birthday. Hopefully I can be there for you and your celebrations, but if not, this is my message to you. I love you very much. You have helped me a lot throughout my whole life, and I'm very grateful for that. And yeah, it's just been amazing that you have given us all these opportunities in life and how much you sacrificed. And yeah, I'm very grateful for that, and hopefully being a year older can help you realize how grateful we are. I don't know how old you are. Let's just say you're in your early 20s as you look. So yeah, happy birthday and have a great one, and fingers crossed I will be there with you. But if not, yeah, love you and see you soon.